Hi, I'm Brad Holt. This is the 2-Minute Lawyer. In today's video, I'm talking about position statements with the EEOC. So when you file a charge of discrimination with the EEOC, one of the first things that'll happen is that the agency will give the employer an opportunity to respond to your charge of discrimination through what's called a position statement. And then the charging party will have a chance to respond to that through a statement of their own later on. The EEOC has put out guidance that's very helpful about what is expected to be in a position statement and things that you should include in there. Ultimately, what you really need to know is that a position statement is your opportunity to make your case to the agency. And there are probably a lot of different schools of thought as far as strategy and how to handle these, but one thing that I think you should really pay attention to is the foundational aspect of this for your entire case. And so I basically say there's two guiding principles. There's production and there's foundation. And from a production standpoint, you need to produce the evidence that's necessary to support your case and comply with what the agency is requesting. And then the foundational aspect of it is when you make statements and arguments to the EEOC, do so from the perspective of I'm laying down the foundation for my entire case. Make a strong legal argument, support your legal basis, but don't necessarily commit yourself to a position early on that might affect you negatively later on. So make sure your facts are cited to documents and evidence that you have to produce, and make sure there's no inconsistencies. If you do that, you're going to have a strong position statement that is not likely to come back and bite you later on down the road, and ultimately that should be your goal.